Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I am back today with another entry to my 400 SUBBIE challenge giveaway that I'm hosting till the end of this month, till June 30th. You have. If you want to get involved, I'm just asking for a Memorydex and for you to do a VR. So this next entry is from Polite Creations here on YouTube. I will link her YouTube channel in my description box below. And so thank you, girl, for participating. I love this package. Look at how festive it is. I love the colors. So cute. So let's get into this. Okay, oh, look at how pretty. So pretty. Oh, you didn't have to send these. Thank you so much. Look at, she sent a cling stamp. It's Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, Season's Greeting, Merry and Bright, Winter Wishes. Thank you. And then she sent this star, layered star die. Thank you. Okay, let's get to the card. Okay, it says, how cute is this card? Look at how pretty this girl is. And I like she raised the umbrella, and then she has this rhinestone and 2 enamel dots here. And it says, cherish every day. Congrats on your SUBBIE milestone, Maka. I wish you much continued growth. Also, thank you for supporting my channel and recent challenge. Crafty hugs, Natasha of Polite Creations. And like I said, I'm going to link her YouTube channel in the description box below because, as you can see, she is very creative and you don't want to miss out on anything she can teach you. So let's look at this little bag. How cute. And she's stitched around here. And this one. Focus. Okay, there. You see the stitching? Oh, I don't have a sewing machine. I can't stitch like that. That is so pretty. I love that stitching. Okay, let's see. Oh my goodness, some bows. How cute. Look at how beautiful. So pretty. Thank you, girl. These are so gorgeous. So gorgeous. And then look at these embellishments and her Memorydex. Okay, let's look at these embellishments first. How cute. Look, and this one's a shaker. How pretty. Oh, I love these. So pretty. Thank you so much. And look at her Memorydex. This is like fabric. She ruffled. She added twine to the bottom. This is a foam flower. She has several circle dies in different textures that she's layered. She's added this sentiment that says happiness, good fortune, pleasure, contentment, and joy. And how cute is this little resin bow with the glittered heart in the center? So cute. I love the colors. Everything matches. So pretty. Thank you so much, Natasha. I appreciate you. I appreciate the love and support you show my channel. Appreciate you being a SUBBIE and for all your goodness that you've sent. I appreciate everyone stopping by today. Welcome to all my new SUBBIEs. If you're new here and you would like to join me on my journey, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. And until the next video, shakas!